Hey, what's up guys? I hope you guys are having a great day here. Today I'm actually going to be doing a different project. It's an install project or part two of the solar lights. If you forget what the solar lights were, these are actually the solar lights. So what I'm going to be doing is attaching it to the pole and installing the pole and putting it up completely. So the first one I installed on my shed, but this one I didn't get a chance to install because of hurricane. It was windy, rainy, and all that. Since today it's sunny, we're gonna take the liberty to go and get this taken care of today and get this done once and for all and be over and with it. All right, so stay tuned and we're gonna get into it right now. All right, guys, enjoy this video. All right, y'all, I've gotten everything I need to get this going. So now we're gonna get into it. The pole's over there, the light is over here. We're gonna use the bracket and we're gonna put it in the middle of the pole and then we're gonna install it fairly shortly. So let's get into it, guys. So I was able to get some modifications in there as well. Instead of using the screws that they provided me, which were a little flimsy to say the least, I didn't really like them, so I went to the hardware store and got some different kind of screws, and those actually should hold much better. They're stainless steel. They're much better screws as far as putting them on the pole is concerned. So that's the ones that I'm gonna be going with. I have 4 right here. That's all I needed. Is exactly 4. So that's what I'm gonna be using for it. All right, so let's get going. All right, y'all. The plan I had didn't quite work, so I'm gonna actually deviate because it's sliding up and down the pole even though I closed it up. So what I'm gonna do is actually put a little piece of shim in the middle of it, and that should actually hold the pole together and also fill in all the gaps necessary. I'll be using a vice grip right here to actually pin it down and screw it in and tighten it all together. So that should actually be the solution right there. All right, here we go. Ooh, okay. That actually does work, but that's the wrong tool. I'm gonna see if I have a gripping tool that actually grips much harder than this. So just bear with me. We're gonna get into this, all right? All right, y'all, I was able to find a clamping tool. I'm gonna use the clamping tool to clamp it down while I actually screw everything in. So just pray for me that works. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, I'm able to get my nifty craftsman drill. If you're interested in one, I'll leave the link of that in the description below as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing secured onto here so we can get it up and going. So let's go. Up and away. just like that, I have it installed and running. As you can see, the lights are on right now, and I can make it brighter, and it looks perfect up there. Definitely needs to be as bright as possible, and I can shut it off. Here we go. Lights on, lights off. And this is actually motion detector as well. It has a motion detector on it, so anything that moves, I'll be able to detect it and the light will come on. So right now I'm setting it to the brightest setting possible, and now I have light on this side of my backyard, and that's the pole in itself. Very easy installation, to say the least, but very happy with it. All right, guys, feel free to subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment. In probably a few months or a month or so, I'll probably be changing this pole because I don't like the look of it, but for right now it's a temporary pole. So yeah, I'm looking for a better solution. If you guys have any ideas of what to get and where to get it, feel free to leave that in the comment below as well, as far as pole is concerned, to put this up. But as for right now, this is what it is for right now. So enjoy, guys. Have a great one, and peace.